Abdurrahman Sahib's question is based on verse number 5 of chapter 75 Surah Dahr. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Inna a'tadna lil kafirina salasila wa aghlalan wa sayra. Verily we have prepared for the disbelievers chains and iron collars and a blazing fire.
Huzur, what is the significance of the chains, iron collars and the fire in this verse?
What is the significance of these three words? Salasila wa aghlalan wa sayra.
See, the significance can be understood with reference to another verse about Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that he removes their collars from their necks. And bad traditions they were following. So in fact the chains they are bound with are not the iron chains at all. They are the chains of their forefathers' traditions. So they are bound in those chains. And as they are arrogant to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, so their necks are upturned because of those hard collars and so on. So this is only a metaphorical expression. As I have repeatedly told you before, all the references to heaven and hell are metaphorical. They must never be taken literally. And we have enough proof in the Quran of the same. So here, who liberates them from these ties? As I have referred to the other verse, Rasulullah sallam did liberate him from the other ties. Do you have?
Yes. Yazawanhum israhum wal aghlal allati kanat alayhim.
This is the verse which I am referring to, and Imam Sahib remembers it. Now you understand? Yes.